Hi, my name is Liz. The name of this channel is Nothing But Bags. I call my channel Nothing But Bags because as far as I'm concerned, I'm not really interested in anything else when it comes to luxury or fashion. When I'm getting dressed, my outfit is an accessory and my handbag is the main event. If this is your first time clicking on one of my videos, thank you so much for clicking on this video. It's sincerely appreciated. I know there's a lot of content that is offered to you regarding fashion, handbags, and luxury. And the fact that you picked this video is greatly appreciated. If you're one of my returning friends, partners, buddies that I always engage with on this channel, and you continuously support me, share my videos out, comment in the comment section, you know how I feel about you. I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. As you saw from the thumbnail of this and the title of this video, this is gonna be a unbox of that bag that's kind of going viral if you're a handbag person in social media when it comes to the Bottega Dupe. What I love about Bottega, and I'm gonna put the Jodie and the Jodie Mini and the Jodie Teen somewhere around the camera or the screen so that you can see what I'm talking about. I love Bottega Jodie bags because it has no real monograms or anagrams or names around the bag. And because of that, a lot of places like Anthropologie, H&M, Zara, a lot of these companies, TJ Maxx, can offer an alternative or a dupe of the same bag with the same general design. And what I love about it is I'll see people that I follow on YouTube or Instagram that are social or fashion influencers, and they will have this particular bag with their outfit that they're styling, and I have to click the details of the picture to see if it's a Bottega or something else. And that's what I like about this bag. You can actually buy this bag no matter who makes it, depending on what your quality goals and aspirations are, and find the same general look of a Bottega bag at a fraction of the cost. So what I did was I ordered 2 of these bags from TJ Maxx. And we're gonna actually unbag this live and in living color together. And I never do unboxing or unbagging, but I figured this wouldn't take but a couple minutes, and I'm not gonna be before you long. I figured this wouldn't take a long time at all. I ordered these from TJ Maxx. I ordered 2 different colors. One of the ones, the yellow one, and forgive the noise, I'm going to be giving to my friend girl. We just came from brunch. And I asked her, I said, which one do you want? And she said, I want the yellow one. So she'll take that one. And I don't know who will get the white one. But this is how they came packaged. I want you to see everything. This is how they came packaged. Shipping was pretty quick. I'll show you the 2 that I ordered. They're under $75. I'll show you what I ordered, how it was packaged. This one says the TJ Maxx Tracy Woven Knot Clutch in the color white. Hopefully let's pick it up on the screen. I'll post somewhere on the screen what day I ordered them and what day I received them. Comes in a little, thin. I mean, I paid, this says $80, but I didn't pay $80 for this. The company is Urban Expressions. It says that this bag was $80. I'll put on there what I actually paid for it. Okay. This is the bag. I may keep this little white one for myself since my friend girl said she wanted the yellow. Got gold hardware, gold zipper pull, gold zipper. Zipper isn't bad. Came with a lot of stuffing in it. But a lot of people have been posting these TJ Maxx knot bags for Bottega dupes all over my feed. You tell me if it's all over your feed. Got an Urban Expressions tag right there inside. Has a zipper pocket on the inside. What's in here? Micro guard enhanced packaging that was inside. Got a little zipper pocket. Seems like a textile interior. Nice space. I might keep this for myself. I was going to ask them if they wanted it out of my little friend group or whatever, but I might keep this for myself. I like this. I like this, y'all. Of course, it doesn't feel like leather. I'm not sure if it is leather. I'll give you information about it on the screen, whatever I can find online about it, because I won't keep you a long time. But the zipper pull came with like a little had plastic on the zipper pull. Had a plastic covering on the zipper pull. I'll take that off. I typically don't do unboxings on my channel. I usually videotape them because I like to run my mouth, and I know people come on for unboxings, unbaggings, and they like get to the, I know for me, I be like, get to the unboxing and unbagging. But I'm very pleased with this. It has a knot like the standard Bottega Jodie bag. It doesn't feel like cheap material. I don't think this is leather. The smell test. It doesn't smell like leather, but I would carry this. I would carry this. I would have carried this is what I have on now. I just came from brunch. I would carry this is what I have on now. The second one that I ordered was this is in lime. I will order the woven, not oversized shoulder bag in the color lime. And this is the one that she will get because I showed her the pictures at brunch to ask her, which one you want? She said, I want this one. Very thin, cheap dust bag, but it came with a dust bag. This one feels really good. This one, y'all, feels really good. And I'll do a mod shot because I'm actually dressed for brunch, so typically I wouldn't do that. But I'll do a mod shot for this one. I might order this one again for myself. I might tell I'm not getting this one. It doesn't feel like leather, but it doesn't feel bad. Another gold zipper pull. Zipper's butter soft. It's got that the silica inside for moisture. This one says Luella Collections, Fashion Accessories, New York, established 2002. You can tell that the inside is not leather. It has a zipper compartment on the inside. Zipper is smooth, butter soft. It's got like a textile type of, very cheap. You can tell it's cheap. This material is actually similar to the dust bag material inside, so I wouldn't expect that to last a long time. The interior, what is that in there? It's got a little label inside that says Lula Collection Fashion Accessories. The inside feels like, you know, like pleather. So maybe it's a PU material. I'll put any information I can find online about the description of the bag inside. But the zipper, I love a smooth, soft zipper. But I'll do some mod shots so y'all can see what it looks like on. My girl Melissa Adams Wade has a teen Jodie bag. I don't remember what color it's in off the top of my head, but she has a larger Jodie bag. But this bag feels really good. I could have worn this with what I have on now. It doesn't feel like leather, but it doesn't feel cheap. The inside feels cheap. The outside does not. And it could because of the weave material. But this is really cute, y'all. This is really cute. And this is the white one in a smaller size, and then lime green one in a larger size. I'll throw some mod shots in here for you so you can see somewhere around the screen. But I'll put the prices on the screen as well. But I got these from TJ Maxx. Like I said, I just thought, I get inundated with posts with people showing all of these TJ Maxx bags, and they'll have them in multiple colors, and they're buying them like hotcakes. And I'm like, I want to see. For me, buying the dupes like this, let me know or educate me in if this is a style that I would reach for. Like, when I'm getting dressed to go to brunch or when I'm getting dressed to go on date night, is this something that I would reach for? And if it is a style that I would reach for, then is this something that I would be willing to invest $2,000 or $3,000 in? Because these bags go for roughly $2,000 or $3,000. I would say the threes. I'll put the price of a Jodie teen, which is the larger size, and a Jodie mini, I think. I'll compare the sizes for you. But now this one feels a little stiffer than this one. This one feels really soft. It feels really supple. I like how this one feels more than I like how this one feels, but both of them feel good. For the price, I definitely would suggest purchasing these for the price to give yourself the experience to see if you would reach for these bags before you made the financial investment of buying a Bottega bag. So that's really what I bought these for. I wanted to show you all what they look like, the TJ Maxx, or what the quality is like of the TJ Maxx bags. And if I felt like these would be something I would reach for, this quality, this price, this level of price, and if I would be willing to invest in a Bottega bag because of how often I reach for these. So hopefully by this point in the video, already seeing quality issues. I'm not sure if you can see that from there, but like the material is peeling. So honestly, this is why we spend $2,000 and $3,000 on a bag, because we know that if we spend that kind of money, we won't see an issue like this. And if we do see an issue like this, we know we can go back to the brand and say, hey, I'm gonna need a refund. I'm gonna need you to do an exchange or something for this. And I'm trying to see it's on both sides. I think it's just on one side so far, but I just opened out the packaging. For $20 or $30, $40, I would not be mad about something like this. But it does give you the vibe of a Bottega bag to see if it will be something you would want to invest that kind of money in. So anyway, hopefully you like this video. Please drop down in the comment sections and let me know if you have ordered from TJ Maxx or bought in the TJ Maxx stores one of these Bottega style bags. If you have, what has the wear and tear been like? Have you found that you've already seen quality issues like I have as soon as I opened the bag? Or have you carried a few times and saw some issues? Did this lead you to want to buy a Bottega bag? And the only other thing that I would ask of you is that you have an absolutely wonderful day.